Alright, hello CMA 104. I'm going to go over your deposit ticket assignment real quick. I've made up an example that is similar to your assignment, but it's not exact, so that way you can try it yourself. So over here I have my deposit slip. That's what these cells are right here. I'm working in an Excel sheet, so that way I can do the calculations and you can see them, and I don't have to pull up like a calculator or something. Alright, so we have our checks right here in the blue. Everything's color-coded. So cells that are in blue will take information about checks. And then we have cash over here in red. And so these cells here in the deposit slip will be holding information about the cash. So let's do the kind of tricky thing first. Let's go through the cash. When they say currency, that just means dollar bills, so paper money. And then when it says coin here, they're talking about quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. So let's say I have, let's go ahead and calculate the total currency first. So to get the total of whatever kind of currency for each type of bill, I just multiply the value of the bill by the number of bills that I have. So if I multiply a $100 bill by 1, because I have one $100 bill, then we have 100 there. A $50 bill times 3, because we have three $50 bills is 150. We have 21 $20 bills. We have 11 $5 bills. And then we have 35 $1 bills. Okay, so now I have a row that I can add everything up in. So I'm going to take the sum of all of the totals of each bill type, and there I have $760. So I can go over here and write $760 and 0 cents. Okay, well this isn't going to let me format it correctly, but you should just have 2 zeros in this column if there are no cents. Okay, so we do the same thing with the coins right here. These are the coins. Multiply the value of the coin by how many of that type of coin we have. And I totally recommend doing these assignments in Excel and then using copy and paste to get it into your Word document for your assignment, because it just reduces the chance you're going to have an error when you copy your answer on your calculator onto your assignment. So now that I have the value of each type of coin, I'm going to add all those up. And we get $17.28. So then we come over here to our coins line, and we write 17 in the dollar section, and then 28 in the cents section. And then we add up our dollars and cents for all of our cash. So we go 170, sorry, brain fart. We go 760 plus $17 is $777, and then 0 plus 28 cents is 28 cents. Okay, so we have completed our cash. Now we enter checks. In this column you're going to write the check numbers, and then we write dollars, and then we write cents over here. So I start here at my first check. My check number is 287, and there's $12.50. So we put a 12 and then we put a 50. We can move on to our second one. We have 283 as the check number. This check is for $320.62, and you just keep going like that. And we are not going to total the amount of checks. We're not going to total the value of the checks here. We're not going to add these numbers up. We'll do it together in this purple section here in a minute. Want to make sure that you're going to enter the number of checks that you have. When it says total items, they're talking about checks. And we have 6 checks here. So I'm just going to put a 6 right there. If I decide that my cash register at the clinic doesn't have enough 10s and I want to bring back a stack of 10s, and I think I come in like stacks of 20, I would say I want to bring back $200 to the clinic. So this amount is going to be subtracted. I'm actually just going to write something here so we have a visualization. We have 276 cents from all of our cash and checks. So that means we have $1.76. We don't want to leave that dollar in that section. We want to take those $2 there and add it into the dollar section right here. So this would be 2796. So that's just this number plus 2. And then we just subtract 200 cents from that value, and that will be 76. And then to get the total deposit here, I subtract any cash that I want to take out from the total dollar value of my deposit. So it's going to be $2,794 minus $200, and then that will be 76 cents minus 0. And that's what your bank deposit slip is going to look like when you're done. Yeah, okay, feel free to text me with questions, comment on this. Texting is the best way to reach me at. And I will put a link to this document in the description of the video, so you can take a look if you want to and play around with the numbers and stuff. All right. Good luck with your assignments, guys.